Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. 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 I forgot to do the end. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. Pup, pup, trees. I forgot to do the intro. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. Tip. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. See, let me just break this grass block here. Press. What the? Birds eating seeds, but I have. What am I doing? Eh, I think it's just. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. Birds eating seeds. I forgot to do the intro. Oh wait, I'm doing it right now. Birds eating seeds. I forgot to do the intro. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. If a bird eats the seed, trees are upside down. Birds eating seeds, but I have dementia. If the tree is upside down, the bird eats the seed. The seed comes inside the bird's mouth, and then bird eating seeds, but I have dementia. Trees, eat the trees if you want. The seeds are on the trees. I sprinkle them everywhere. It's raining seeds. Bird eating seeds, but okay. I'm actually tired of this IRL. Bird eating seeds, but I have dementia. Bird. How many? Bird. Bird eating seeds, but I forgot to do the intro. Trees eating trees, but birds have dementia. What? Birds eating trees, but trees have seeds. If you see a bird flying around, the bird will probably eat some seeds. I don't know if they do this. Bird eating seeds, but I have dementia.